Hi there folks, this is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialists. My friends call me Luke and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 419-899-2020. Myself or my brother Levi would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give me or my brother Levi a call at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2009 Pleasureway Excel TD with only 27,050 miles. Alrighty folks, here we are inside of this 2009 Pleasureway Excel TD. As usual, we're going to start in the front, work our way towards the rear. Try to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are a family-owned and operated dealership since 1976, started by Levi and I's mom and dad. Today, we specialize in hard-to-find small motorhomes like this Pleasureway. All of these units go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. This particular unit, our mom, Kathy, and also my mother-in-law, Becky, who are best friends, flew to Texas to pick this one up. They had a little bit of a girls' trip on the way home. Try to include some pictures and video of that at the end of this video tour, so you can check that out. Really, really nice unit. They had a great trip home. It did very well for them, drove wonderfully. We'll get going on this Pleasureway. We've got your levels test here, so you can push these buttons to tell how much is in your gray, black, freshwater tank, and also your coach battery charge. Water pump on-off switch. The generator start-stop switch that has 30 hours and a fresh service by our certified owned technicians. Water heater on-off switch. Got a noxious gas detector. Light switch for over the kitchen area. Got some stash space here. Got an easily accessible entryway. Stash spot in the door. Fire extinguisher. Got a couple of light switches here. We got a dimmer switch on the overhead main ceiling lights in the coach. We've got a window that does open here, however there's no screen. We do have the curtain that can cover this window if you'd like for privacy, in addition to going all the way around the front of the coach for privacy. Stepping into the kitchen area. Got a partial aluminum backsplash. We've got a window that does open with a screen. 2-burner propane cooktop. Got nice Corian countertops on this unit. Single basin stainless sink. Go ahead and check out this overhead storage quick. Your water pump down there in the bottom, as well as some storage. Got a 3-way Dometic fridge freezer. 3-way meaning AC, so your shore power or your generator. DC meaning your coach battery or propane gas. Got the freezer in the top portion. This is all controlled via the buttons on the front. We recommend leaving that on auto, and that will keep you cold most of the time. Got a 110 outlet there. Drawers. Got your propane furnace. This is the coach battery disconnect. So this red switch is what you'll turn on and off to disconnect the coach batteries. That will help prevent parasitic draw. That also disconnects your charging systems, which are the alternator while you drive, your shore power plug-in, or your generator. Got a TV crank antenna. Got your AC that runs off of the generator or the shore power only. So here in the Excel TD, it's designed to have 2 twin sleepers. You can also make up a big bed. We've got windows with screens on both sides. The rear windows do not open. If you'd like to make up the big bed, this nightstand will just sit down below the big bed here. Go ahead and drop some pictures so you can see what that looks like made up. The twin sleepers measure approximately 72 inches long and 30 inches wide on the driver's side and 70 inches long by 30 inches wide on the passenger side. This is a very popular sleeping setup in a camper van as it allows you to easily swing your legs out at night to use the restroom without crawling over one another. If you make up the big bed in the back using the boards beneath the cushion on the driver's side, it will measure approximately 70 to 72 inches front to back and 81 inches side to side. This unit is technically designed for 2, but you could potentially sleep 3 people lying either direction in this bed if so desired. The table mount in the rear allows for a comfortable seating arrangement for cards and other late night camping activities. Beneath the couch bed in the rear, we've got a noxious gas detector, 2 storage drawers, got a 110 as well as your fuse panel, access to the back of the water heater, got the storage compartment that's also accessible through the rear doors. We've got 2 drawers on the nightstand. Here we are sitting in the couch bed at the rear of the RV. As you can see, we got a mix of carpet and hard surface flooring in this unit. Makes it easier to keep clean. Got just under 74 inches headroom in the main part of the coach. We do have a fantastic fan in the center that runs off the coach battery. Can act like an exhaust fan or an attic fan at night. Stop looking for the perfect match. Use a lighter instead. Got a countertop flip out. We've got the thermostat that controls the propane furnace. The controls for the air conditioner are on the air conditioner themselves. We got a TV here. The TV is on this swivel door, so I can swivel around to face the front. The front 2 chairs both swivel. However, the passenger seat will get a much better view due to the cabinet and the steering wheel for the driver's seat, so you can watch the TV from the front. We do have an inverter set up back here. This will allow you to watch the TV off of the coach battery. You can turn the TV setup on and off here. Got your DVD player. There are speakers in the ceiling in the rear that the TV is run to. So we've got a speaker there. Also a speaker here. We've got the reading lights you can turn on and off via the switches there while you're in bed. Very minimal blemishes on this one. While I'm back here, I'm going to show you there's a couple scratches on the nightstand. But looking around this one on the cabinets, I'm hard pressed to find any marks. Really, it's definitely a very stellar unit. Head back towards the front here. Go over towards the driver's side. Check out the bathroom. Got a medicine cabinet that opens. Got your shower head, 110 outlet. Got 3 drawers just like so. Storage beneath the sink. A nice, easily accessible step up into the bathroom area. So this is one enclosed wet dry area. So basically you're gonna get in here, use the toilet. You can pull the shower curtain around you if you'd like. This will help contain a lot of the water or smell, as well as provide more privacy than a lot of the camper van setups. So here I am sitting in here. I'm about 6'3", 230, 240. Definitely serviceable. We also have a window that opens with a screen inside of the bathroom. Got a microwave. The microwave runs off of the shore power or the generator only. Got a wardrobe closet. Got a table leg, as well as the table. We do have a smaller circular table that you can use up front if you'd like, as well as the manuals. This is a very, very nice unit. While we're up front here, before we finish up, go ahead and check out this storage space. Got the airbag suspension control there for the rear airbag suspension. You can pump those up and check the levels there. Again, a very, very fine specimen, very richly appointed and excellent condition. I'm gonna call this unit a 9.5 out of 10. Again, you're gonna have a hard time finding many blemishes on this one. I'm sure there's a scratch somewhere, but excellent condition, excellent floor plan. Check it out at Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player. Got very clean front seats, clean front carpet. No signs of smoking. It's tough to say for sure, as some people's noses are more sensitive. The cigarette lighter is unused, and I don't notice any funny smells in here. All right, folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2009 Pleasureway Excel TD. This RV measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. This RV is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 5.4 liter V8 engine with 27,050 miles. Got a very, very good looking exterior on this one. Minimal blemishes, excellent paint condition, excellent stripe condition. Got your coach battery, back of your fridge, furnace exhaust, got your kitchen window as well as a porch light. We do have 2 outlets here that you can plug in things beneath the awning if you'd like to. Got a storage compartment. Got your AC up top, got a nice accessible rear door. Storage space beneath the couch. You can access that from the inside via this door. Got a tow package. And the stripes are in excellent condition on this one, even the rear door where we often see this scuzzed up more than the rest of the van. Come around to the driver's side. Got the back of the water heater. Got your fresh water fill for the onboard fresh water tank. Storage compartment. Sewer hose storage. Got an outside shower. Got a small nick on the stripes. They are very, very excellent condition on these stripes, very minimal blemishes. Got the fuel fill for the onboard generator as well as the engine. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got the sewer drain, so your black tank and then your gray tank. You'll pull the black first and then the gray will wash all the nasty stuff out of the tube. Cable TV hookup, city water connection. This will bypass the onboard fresh water tank and go right to your sink, shower, and toilet. Got your propane tank on-off valve with a gauge, your shore power cord that just goes in and plugs in just like so. Got the Onan 2800 generator exhaust. That generator has a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan technicians.
Our mom, Kathy, also known as Mama Kuhn, and her best friend Becky, who happens to be my mother-in-law, had a great time on the way home after picking up this Pleasureway. They found a barrel of laughs in Branson, Missouri, and even brought a few of Lambert's famous throwed rolls back home for Levi and I.